Hello everyone! Update sa Hana Basta Basta at Dakat Katok na Kickboxing Muay Thai training natin sa Maharlika Martial Arts Training Center. Every Wednesday, 6 to 8 p.m. ang schedule natin, women's schedule. Kasi may nag-enroll na babae. She will be starting next Wednesday. From girls side to dati. Kaibigan natin. Kaibigan ko din yung husband niya. So, sana dalawa sila pumunta doon para after that, mag-inuman na lang kami. Okay? So, sana may isa pa na babae na mag-enroll din. So, yung mga ladies dyan, may kasabay kayong babae na magti-training, nag-enroll na siya, so start siya sa Wednesday. If interested kayo na matuto ng Hana Basta Basta Dakat Katok Muay Thai Kickboxing striking namin, please send me a message. Wednesday 6 to 8 p.m. Ang alam ko, binigay din ni Idol Eric Kelly yung Monday Monday 6 to 8 din ata yung schedule ko doon. Hindi ko lang sure. Nahiya na nga ako kay Idol Eric, ang tamad ko na magturo. Anyways, Wednesday 6 to 8 p.m. Kung sinong interesado, women's schedule. Kasi may nag-enroll. Kailangan, syempre, 6 to 8. Hopefully, parang Kuds Go at Gentle Lord Sapin to, parang ma-absorb nila kaagad yung skills in a short period of time. So, hopefully, next week, hopefully, parang mga, 1 week lang, nagja-jumping, flying knee na, jumping kick na, lahat magawa. Okay? So, see you and more blessings to all of us. Sana sumama din yung husband niya para mag-shot kami afterwards. So, women's schedule yon. Sana isama mo din yung husband mo para na-miss ko na siya din. Para mag-shot kami pagkatapos ng training. More blessings to all of us.